Today I will show you how to choose the best solo ad vendor on Udimi. Hi guys, my name is Gina Babak. I'm a full-time online marketer, business coach and traffic vendor for 6 years plus, and I have been buying traffic on Udimi for years, so I know most of those traffic vendors personally. This is what you need to know about solo ads and how to choose the best traffic vendor on Udimi. So first of all, you need to pay attention to how many orders the guy or girl has already delivered. For example, in this case, we see that only 397 orders were delivered, right? So most of them are on Udemy for years, but still you will see that from time to time we have new traffic vendors, so you can test their traffic with 100 clicks or 200 clicks. The higher the price is actually the better. So in this case, as you can see, Khalid Ibrahim delivered more than 2,700 orders, which is actually really cool. Next, let us talk about repeat orders and got sales percentage. So if you will scroll down, you will see this sign. This is percentage, how many buyers from this solid vendor told him that they got sales. This is very important because if you buy traffic and you got sales, immediately you understand that the traffic quality is really high. But to be honest, most of these solid vendors offer different bonuses to their buyers, so they would say that they got sales. So you cannot trust this rating like 100%, but still you need to pay attention to this. As you can see, you can filter repeat orders. For example, Igor offers a good price. We have 86% solo ad buyers who actually told us that they got sales and 25% repeat orders. So this is actually a good sign. You may ask me, Gina, should I buy solo ads? Listen, to be honest, you have no choice because solo ads is still the fastest way how you can generate new leads and start getting sales. Your affiliate marketing or digital marketing business, you simply have no choice, because if we will compare Udemy with the other kind of traffic sources like Google ads or Facebook ads, you will immediately see that you will need to spend so much more money on Google. Actually, I would not even recommend Google. Maybe Facebook, yes, but on Facebook, to start seeing sales, you would need to spend at least $50 every single day, at least for a month, so 30 days. To start generating some stats for your traffic source, for your funnel, for your opt-in page, for your sales page. This takes a lot of time and money on Facebook. When on Udemy, you simply choose the different vendors. This week you can buy from this guy, next week you can buy from another guy, and you immediately have stats. Another thing is that on Udemy, when you buy 100 clicks, you are virtually guaranteed to have at least 30 new leads. So if you don't have 30 leads from 100 clicks, you can simply send a message to this Udemy vendor that, listen, I was expected to get at least 30 leads and I get 15. And this guy will send you more traffic for free because there is a standard on Udemy. So if you pay $40, you need to have at least 30 new leads to your list, right? This is why Udemy still is the #1 traffic source for affiliate marketers. And this is why I would recommend you to start thinking about, okay, how much can I spend per week? If you can spend, let's say, $100, you can buy more than 200 clicks every single week, get more than 60 leads every single week. And if you have a good, solid funnel, high converting sales page, you will start generating sales. Then reinvest this profit into more traffic and get more leads and get more sales, build your business, build your list predictably fast. The money is still in the list, so this is how it works. When you spend your money on solo ads, you need to know how to get your money back fast. And this is what I would recommend you. First of all, you should not even think about promoting high-ticket offers directly with Udemy solo ads, because this will not work. You need to have access to at least 2-3 low-ticket offer funnels that will allow you to make money really fast. And if you check description to this video, you will see 2 of the funnels that I can share with you. So one of them is called Affiliaxa. Affiliaxa starts with $97. This funnel was created for solo ads. When you join Affiliaxa, you get access to affiliate program that pays up to $2,800 per referral. But most important is that you get 80% commission for the front end sale. So when you pay $97, you do it once. And then you have $77 every time they buy from your affiliate link. Plus, you have a possibility to make up to $2,800 per referral from the OTOs that are included into the funnel. Another funnel is called the Social Media Mastery Kit. This funnel starts with $27, and it's not only the funnel that you can promote as an affiliate to make money, but inside of the Social Media Mastery Kit, you will get all the information you need to learn how to promote your business on social media for free. But what you need to know is that social media traffic is the most expensive one. And this is why we're still using solo ads. Check description to this video to join Udimi using my links, and you can send me a message on Facebook, join free community for affiliate marketing and free Facebook group that I created, and let's make some money together.